Are you looking for a side hustle that doesn't require inventory, shipping, or a huge upfront investment? What if I told you that you can create and sell digital products using just a few powerful AI tools? And you don't need to be a tech genius or have any experience in design or programming. Welcome to The Budget Plug, where we help you make smarter financial moves and build successful side hustles. In today's video, we're diving into how you can leverage AI-powered tools to create and sell digital products like ebooks, printables, templates, and more. Whether you're just getting started or already have a side hustle, this method is quick, cost-effective, and can generate passive income. So why use AI? Well, the beauty of AI is that it does the heavy lifting for you. Gone are the days of spending hours on design or product creation. With AI tools, you can generate high-quality products in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Imagine this. You can create a budget planner in minutes, design a beautiful ebook cover without any graphic design skills, or generate an entire workbook template using just a few simple commands. Let's start by looking at the AI tools that make this all possible. The best part is, most of these tools are free or have low-cost options for beginners. ChatGPT can help you generate text-based products like ebooks, guides, or worksheets in no time. Just give it a topic and it will create content tailored to your needs. Canva is perfect for creating visual assets. Whether it's an ebook cover, a printable, or a social media post, Canva has pre-made templates and AI-assisted design features to speed up the process. Midjourney is an AI art tool that helps you generate custom illustrations or designs for your products like book covers or course graphics with just a few prompts. Now, let's create your first digital product step by step. I'm going to show you how to make a simple budget planner, but you can apply the same method to almost any product. Step 1. Start with ChatGPT. Ask it to create a budget planner template. It will generate a detailed, well-organized template in just seconds. You can customize it as needed. Add categories like income, expenses, savings, and debt payments. Step 2. Now head to Canva. Select the planner template or create a new one. Upload the content you generated from ChatGPT. Use Canva's AI design tools to make it visually appealing, adding colors, fonts, and icons. Step 3. If you want some custom illustrations or designs, use Midjourney. For example, let's create a cute piggy bank graphic to add to our planner. Simply type in your description and let the AI do the rest. Now that your product is ready, it's time to sell it. Here are a few platforms where you can upload and start earning. Etsy is perfect for printable products like planners and templates. It has a built-in audience, so you don't need to worry about driving traffic. Shopify lets you create your own online store. It's great for digital products, and you can sell a variety of items. Gumroad is for a quick and simple setup. Gumroad is a popular choice for selling digital products directly to your audience. Once your product is up for sale, marketing is key to getting your first sales. Here are a few simple ways to promote your digital products. Social media. Share sneak peeks of your products on Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Use AI tools to create eye-catching visuals and reels to attract buyers. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out updates or discounts to your subscribers. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or other creators in your niche to spread the word about your products. If you're ready to start your AI-powered side hustle, go ahead and give these tools a try. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments what digital products you're excited to create with AI. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on side hustles, budgeting, and making money online.